Hello everybody, this is Hunter back again with another camper. Today we do have the Sabre 36BHQ, and I'm showing this one today because it is one of my favorites. I've done this before on TikTok and Instagram, but I'm going to do it again because they have a couple of the changes. As you'll notice that this right here, it is like that. So that is part of the new, and the decor in general. So it looks really nice, but this is one of my favorite campers just because of the versatility of it. As you saw a little bit of the living room right there, this is a couple's coach, but it has room for, plenty of kids. It also has a little den, which you could use for additional sleeping, or a lot of people double it up as like an office or set some rails up and make it a, like a little office or a closet. But it's pretty nice. You got a room for your TV right there. You got your USBs, all that good stuff. And check that out. Some pretty decent sized storage packed into this tight little room when you put in the slide out. So that's always really nice to have. Hanging, that's all typical good stuff. But I just love this camper. Wanted to show it off. It is probably my favorite. $40,000 gets you all of this. And it is pretty insane. It's got a lot of features that some of your higher end campers have, but for kind of that mid price range point. That's why they're definitely selling so many of them. Where is this locked at? Oh, there you go. Big refrigerator. Goodness gracious. But check out this island. You do have some accent lighting right there with your outlets. Black stainless steel sink, which is always nice, like a lot of these campers are starting to do now. You got that bad boy there. Nice oven with some nice tile backsplash. And that is not just a sticker there. It's actually got some texture to it, which is nice. Decent sized microwave. Typical for your camping. But I just love this camper. I think, a lot of you guys will as well. There's a reason why this thing is probably one of our top sellers. Even before the COVID stuff came about and, campers have gone through the roof, this was a consistent seller. This right here, it pulls out to make a bed. I'm not going to show you that today because I got to get in and out of here for the NBA playoffs. But you get a feel for what that is. 2 recliners. It's got your heat, your massage, and I believe, yeah, some accent lighting there. Nice little added touch. Your Thomas Paine, very common in a lot of campers, and I'm happy they're going in that direction. Nice little dinette there, and right here goes over the sweet 16 of sweet features. So I'll let you pause the screen if you want to see that because your boy's moving away. But I like what Sabre's doing with their moves that they're making. Check that out. I absolutely love this. Most campers, as you guys know, there's not somewhere to hang coats. Right there. You got it, baby. All your control panels are right there. You're going to enjoy that. One central area. Good to go. There's that ladder up to this one more time, which I'll show you. And you got your bathroom, which is a very good size. You got plenty of leg room to sit. You got a good shower, so you can actually spin around. But as you'll see, look at all that. Too common in campers. You can't even sit down in the darn things without your knees rubbing against something or your foot banging up against a counter. It's just crazy. And right up there, that little noise that you're hearing, that's going to be your fantastic fan. But if you guys are liking my videos, liking the tours, make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys are on TikTok, make sure to check me out there. We're looking at about 120,000 as of today. Pretty exciting news. Just got my first little bit of social media pay. $6.59 from TikTok. That was a surprise to wake up to, and that was pretty cool. It was definitely a good feeling because I'm spending tons of hours on doing this stuff. I'm not sure where the light is, but you can check that out. That is a massive closet. Washer and dryer hookups back there, probably a little bit difficult to see. And that's right there. If you do put the washer and dryer, you have easy access to it without using that door there. Outlets and a cable pot so that way you can put a TV there. More storage for more stuffola. All right, one more peek at the inside, show you a quick glance of everything one more time, then I'm going to head around the out. Thank you guys very much. Again, make sure to like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I'm gaining steam on these guys. And if you have any advice, anything that I can do to make these better or different, please let me know. I'm taking this pretty seriously. I wouldn't say too crazy, but you know, I definitely, if I'm going to be spending the time, I want to make sure that they are as good as they can be. Check that out. That is freaking nuts. See if I can open up this right here. Nope, it's locked. But that storage is nice. Spare tire. All your hookups there. Sabre, baby. Price point. Quality. Big time seller, guys. This is going to be huge. Thank you and have a lovely day.